Back pain. It starts as a little discomfort, and before you know it, you're wincing every time you sit, stand, or even sleep. Did you know? Over 80% of people will experience back pain at some point in their lives. And yet, most treatments only mask the pain instead of fixing the root cause. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive treatments or painkillers to feel better. Today, I'll show you 5 natural remedies that actually work, backed by science and real results. 1. The power of movement. Most people think resting helps back pain, but that's actually a huge mistake. Your spine isn't designed to stay still for long periods. When you stop moving, your muscles stiffen, your blood flow slows down, and your joints become less flexible. This makes the pain worse, not better. Think about it. When you wake up after a long sleep, your back and neck feel stiff. That's because your body has been still for hours. Now imagine what happens if you sit too much every single day. Your back suffers. But don't worry, you don't need an intense workout. Even gentle movement can make a huge difference. Try this simple stretch. Cat-cow stretch. Get on all fours. Arch your back up like a cat. Then drop your belly down and lift your head. Repeat this 10 times, slowly. This stretch reduces stiffness, improves circulation, and loosens tight muscles. All in under a minute. Another great way to keep your spine happy? Walking. Even just 10 to 15 minutes a day can strengthen your core, improve your posture, and reduce lower back pain. So remember, motion is lotion for your spine. Keep moving, and your back will thank you. 2. Magnesium, the relaxation mineral. Muscle tension is one of the biggest culprits behind back pain. And one of the key reasons? Not enough magnesium. Magnesium is essential for muscle relaxation, nerve function, and reducing inflammation. Yet most people are deficient, especially if they eat a lot of processed foods, drink too much coffee, or experience high levels of stress. When your body lacks magnesium, your muscles stay tight and tense, making back pain worse over time. It can even lead to muscle spasms, poor sleep, and chronic fatigue. But the good news? It's easy to fix naturally. Here's how to boost your magnesium levels. Eat magnesium-rich foods, like spinach, almonds, bananas, avocados, dark chocolate, and pumpkin seeds. Take an Epsom salt bath. Magnesium absorbs through your skin, relaxing your muscles instantly. Drink magnesium-infused water or herbal teas that naturally contain magnesium, like chamomile or nettle tea. Consider a supplement, especially magnesium glycinate or citrate, which are best absorbed by the body. Many people notice a huge difference in their pain levels, sleep, and overall relaxation just a few days after increasing their magnesium intake. So, why not try it and see if your back pain starts to fade away? 3. The ice and heat trick. A common question is, should I use ice or heat for back pain? The answer is, both. But knowing when to use each one is the key to getting relief. Heat. Best for chronic pain and stiffness. Heat helps relax tight muscles, increase blood circulation, and speed up healing. It's perfect for sore, achy muscles or long-term back pain caused by tension. A heating pad, warm towel, or hot compress can be applied for 15 to 20 minutes at a time. A hot bath with Epsom salt is also a great way to soothe deep muscle pain. Ice. Best for new injuries and inflammation. If your back pain is sharp, swollen, or caused by an injury, ice is your best friend. Ice reduces swelling, numbs the pain, and prevents further irritation. Wrap an ice pack in a towel and apply it to the painful area for 15 minutes. Never apply ice directly to the skin. The best trick. Alternate ice and heat. Start with 15 minutes of ice to reduce swelling. Follow up with 15 minutes of heat to relax muscles. Repeat this cycle 2 to 3 times per day for the best results. So next time your back hurts, remember, ice for swelling, heat for stiffness. 4. The posture fix. Did you know that bad posture is one of the biggest hidden causes of back pain? Most of us spend hours sitting, at a desk, in a car, or hunched over our phones. Over time, this creates muscle imbalances, pulling your spine out of alignment. The result? chronic back pain, stiffness, and even headaches. Here's how to test your posture. Stand against a wall with your head, shoulders, and lower back touching it. If you have to force your head back to touch the wall, you likely have forward head posture, a major cause of spinal strain. How to fix your posture. Use a lumbar pillow when sitting. It supports your lower back and prevents slouching. Keep screens at eye level. This stops you from constantly looking down. Strengthen your core. A weak core leads to poor posture and back pain. Do posture exercises daily. Try chin tucks, shoulder rolls, and standing back extensions. Simple daily adjustments, like sitting upright, keeping your feet flat on the ground, and avoiding prolonged sitting, can dramatically reduce back pain over time. So, take a moment now. How's your posture? 5. The anti-inflammatory diet. Did you know that what you eat can either worsen or relieve your back pain? If your diet is high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy oils, your body stays in a constant state of inflammation. And when your body is inflamed, pain levels increase, making it harder for your muscles and joints to heal. But here's the good news. Switching to an anti-inflammatory diet can naturally reduce pain and improve your overall health. What to eat more of? Omega-3 fatty acids, found in salmon, flax seeds, walnuts, and chia seeds, help reduce inflammation and joint pain. Turmeric and ginger. Both are natural pain relievers and can be added to meals or taken as a supplement. Leafy greens, like spinach and kale, provide essential vitamins that support spinal health. Berries, loaded with antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect your body. What to avoid? Refined sugar, found in soda, pastries, and processed snacks, increases inflammation. Fried foods and processed oils can trigger pain and stiffness. Excess alcohol and caffeine can dehydrate muscles, making pain worse. The bottom line: if you fuel your body with the right foods, you'll reduce pain, increase energy, and improve mobility. A few simple changes to your diet can make a huge difference in how your back feels every day. So, let's recap. Keep your spine moving. Motion is medicine. Get enough magnesium for relaxed muscles. Use both ice and heat for pain relief. Fix your posture to prevent pain. Eat anti-inflammatory foods for healing. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped, hit that like button. Subscribe for more health tips, and I'll see you next time on Healthy Nature.